Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, there was this, on Alt Balaji and otherwise also Mentalhood by Karishma Kapoor, that whole team. And my god, what a show it is! Yeah, I mean, it's like once you start watching, you have to just binge watch it because it is that good. I mean, really, Karishma Kapoor proves why she was deserving of the national award, and it's it's a very, like, I'll be honest, the script is not so, it doesn't really elevate the story and take it to the next level or something, but Karishma Kapoor does. And among the ensemble cast, that is the whole cast of characters, Shilpa Shukla, her character really stood out for me. I mean, there's Tilottama Shom, Sanjay Suri, Dino Moria, Sandhya Mridul, and Shrutish Seth. So that's the whole cast, and really, people. I mean, it. Credit needs to be given to Ekta Kapoor also, because the whole. I mean, it's like we are given a peek into life in these very elite circles of Mumbai, because I mean the locations in which the series has been shot is very high end. Even the houses are shown as these very upmarket Mumbai. So yeah, but seriously, people, do watch it. Mentalhood. It's streaming both on Z and Alt Balaji. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.